Hello and welcome to part 5 of this tutorial series. In this part, we are going to discuss trigger parameters. Quartz allows for triggers to have parameters as well. Those parameters will be passed to the job when the execution happens. To add parameters to the triggers, we have to do the same as we did for our jobs. We need to use the using job data method on our trigger builder as well. Let's add some parameters to our trigger. We are adding a parameter called triggerParam with a value SimberTrigger1 parameter. Now, with that done, let's head to our simple job class and read the parameter value. In order to access trigger parameters and job parameters at the same time, we need to change our data map. Instead of getting the data from context.jobDetail.jobDataMap, we are going to get the data from context.mergeDataMap. Once we change where we get our data, now we can get the parameter the same as we do for our jobs. We named our parameter triggerParam, so let's get that value. Once we assign the value to a variable, let's add that value to the output message so we can test it. With that being done, now let's run our application and see if our results are correct. Now, let's start our simple job. As you can see, the job gets executed and the trigger param gets passed to our job. We will get into more detailed examples later on for creating more complex jobs and triggers and assigning the same job to multiple triggers.